Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Bua Loy. Here is a fun and colorful Thai dessert for you all. It's popular Thai dessert, soft and slightly chewy glutinous rice ball cooked with the sweetened coconut milk. So it's simple but it's very delicious. The main flour or the main ingredients is glutinous rice flour. This is different from regular rice flour because it's glutinous rice flour is thicker and will be chewy more than the rice flour. So let's start with the dough. Mix the glutinous rice flour with the color water. For the color water, make it from the water with the food color. Whatever you like for the color, you can add it and then mix it well. For the ingredients, I will put in the description box below. For this method, add water a little bit of the time and then knead it until the dough is formed. The dough should be soft but not sticky or tacky. If it becomes sticky, just add a little bit more flour and knead until it no longer stick on your hand. And today we're gonna make 4 color. For make the Bua Loy is like a flower in real. If you want multiple color in the color as you like, you can adjust a bit. So we're gonna make the ball. You can make it to be the line like this and then cut to be the little pieces, or you can make like a square and then cut to be the square little 1 centimeter thick and cut the dough into the 1 centimeter thick strip and separate strip for to be the little pieces. For the way that we gonna make like a flower, we will use the water to be the adhesive and then make it like a flower like this. And for the leaf, we can make like this and use the knife to make the line and then stick on the bottom of the flower. Continue until it's finished. To cook the bua loy, have a large bowl of the cold water ready beside the pot of the boiling water, and then drop the bua loy into the boiling water in the batch without crowding the pot. Around 1 minute, and then they will float up, and after that we remove it. When it's float up, it means it's already cooked. And then fish them out using the slot spoon and put them directly into the bowl of the cold water. For the sweet coconut milk, we just put the coconut milk water into the pot and then heat it. And add the sugar and also a bit of salt. The ingredients in the description box below. Stirring until all sugar is dissolved, and then taste and add more water as you need it. Turn off the heat and remove. And then drain the bua loy well from the water and then add them to the coconut milk. You can heat it more time or you can serve it now. We just apply to make it like a design of the flower, and then it's more beautiful, nice, and also delicious. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe. If you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.